Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Rashid Kani, and today I am delivering my seventh lecture on the topic triangles, quadrilaterals, and polygon. This is lecture number 7, chapter 11, D1 Mathematics, O levels. And today I would like to discuss the basics about polygons. The polygon, let us define the polygon first. A polygon is a plane figure having three or more than three sides. More than three sides. It is a closed figure. Is a closed figure. Polygon is a closed plane figure having three or more than three sides, and it is named after the number of sides it has. Polygons are named after the number of sides they have. For example, if there is a polygon having three sides, for example, this is a polygon which have three sides A, B, BC and AC. This polygon have three sides, so that's why it is called triangle. Triangle. Polygon having four sides. For example, this is a polygon which have four sides. It is called quadrilateral. Quad मतलब four, lateral मतलब four sided figure. Quadrilateral. And we have the polygon with more than four sides. That is the polygon with five sides. One, two, three, four, and let's say this is the side fifth, five-sided polygon, and it is called pentagon. Five-sided polygon is called pentagon. We also have the polygon which have six sides. One, two, three, four, five, and six. This is the six-sided polygon, and it is called hexagon. Is called hexagon. And a seven-sided polygon is called seven-sided polygon is called heptagon. Heptagon. HEP. Heptagon. Eight-sided polygon is called octagon. Eight-sided polygon is called octagon. Nine-sided polygon is called nonagon. Nonagon. And ten-sided polygon is called Decagon. These are the types of polygons from 3 sides to 10 sides, which are named as triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. And the polygon having more than 10 sides are named as, if the polygon have 11 sides, it is named as 11 gon. A polygon having 12 sides is called 12 gon, and polygon having 20 sides is called 20 gon. Polygon having 100 sides is called 100 gon, and so on. We name it according to the number of side a polygon has. So now one more important thing which we need to learn in this lecture is sum of interior angles of polygon, angles of a polygon. Sum of interior angle of polygon is equals to n minus 2 times 180. This is the formula for the sum of interior angles of the polygon, where n is the number of sides, n is the number of sides. This is the sum of interior angles of polygon, and the sum of exterior angle of exterior angles of any polygon is always equals to 360 degrees. Sum of exterior angle of any polygon is always equals to 360 degree, and sum of interior angle of a polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degree, where n is the number of sides of that polygon. So these two things you must know before the exercise 11c, because we are going to use these two things in exercise 11c. And this is the all basics for polygons for today. In my next lecture I will solve exercise 11c. Till then, take care of yourself and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.